In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome to online classes. I am Abda Yunus Ansari, your English teacher. Today we will start our textbook, unit number 2, A Swing Song. The pages of the textbooks are 29, 30, 31 and 32. So students, open your textbooks from page number 29. So students, you can see here a poem, a swing song. Firstly, we will understand the words meaning of the word bank from page number 30 and then we will do the reading of this poem, a swing song. So let's start the words meaning. The first word is lee. Lee is the side of the mountain that is protected from winds. किसी भी माउंटेन की वो साइड जो विंड से हवा से प्रोटेक्ट की होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं ली. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्वीपिंग ऑन. स्वीपिंग ऑन मीन ग्लाइडिंग. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज फेयरवेल. फेयरवेल मीन बिड गुड बाय. गुड बाय मीन सेइंग गुड बाय. अल्लाह हाफिज. Bar. Bar mean an obstacle, barrier, कोई रुकावट होना. Sweeping, scattering, brushing aside. Scattering mean कोई चीज बहुत फैली हुई हो, जगह जगह पे फैली हो, उसको कहते हैं scattering. Sweeping. Daisies. Daisies is a kind of a flower, a small wild flower with white petals and a yellow center. This is called a flower, daisies. Dear students, now come back to the textbook page number 29. A swing song warm-up exercise. Here we have a warm-up. So first question is there. You can see a picture here. How many kinds of things do you see in a children's park? Look at the picture below and tell. We can see a lot of things in this children's park. We can see a football, we can see slides, we can see swings, we can see trees, we can see balloons, and we can see birds flying in the air, and there are some clouds, there is grassy land. So there are a lot of things we can see in this picture. Next one is, which game do you like the best? It can be a cricket game, it can be a football game, it can any other game, but you have to tell why you like that game. Think about it. Now read the poem about how a boy feels on a swing. This swing song is about a boy, and when the boy swings, how does a boy feel? So now let's read. Swing, swing, sing, sing. Hear my throne and I am a king. Swing, sing, swing, sing. Farewell earth, for I am on the wing. The boy is on the swing और वो swing करते हुए वो गा रहा है और वो कह रहा है here is my throne and I am king. When he is on a swing, he considered himself a king. वो अपने आप को एक king समझ रहा है और वो क्या कह रहा है farewell earth means earth को goodbye कह रहा है because whenever he is on the swing he goes up. That's why he say that I am on the wing. Farewell earth, goodbye earth. Means boys enjoying on the swing. You can see here are some rhyming words. The words which have the same sound like swing, sing, king. These are the rhyming words. We have to find out the rhyming words in each stanza. Try to underline these words. Stanza number 2. Low, high, here I fly. Low, high, here I fly. like a bird through sunny sky. मीन्स क्या कह रहा है, कभी लो नीचे आ जाता हूँ, हाई कभी ऊपर चला जाता हूँ, हेयर आई फ्लाई, मैं यहाँ पे उड़ रहा हूँ, लाइक अ बर्ड थ्रू अ सनी स्काई. सनी स्काई मीन्स वहाँ पे सन है, धूप है, जिसकी वजह से सनी स्काई पे मैं एक बर्ड की तरह उड़ रहा हूँ. फ्री फ्री ओवर द ली, ओवर द माउंटेन, ओवर द सी. मैं बहुत आज़ाद बर्ड की तरह उड़ रहा हूँ, जैसे माउंटेन्स पे, ऐसे लग रहा है मैं माउंटेन्स पे उड़ रहा हूँ, मैं सी पे उड़ रहा हूँ, ली पे उड़ रहा हूँ. ली इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ अ माउंटेन, मैंने अभी बर्ड्स मीनिंग में भी बताया. तो इसमें हम लोग ये समझेंगे कि बॉय जो है वो अपने आप को एक बर्ड कंसीडर करते हुए फ्लाई कर रहा है और इंजॉय कर रहा है. नाउ कम टुवर्ड्स द राइमिंग वर्ड. व्हाट आर द राइमिंग वर्ड हियर? Did you find out? Did you try to search it? Yes, that is high, fly, sky. Free, lee, sea. Mostly the rhyming word comes at the last word of the line, stanza. So you can underline these words too. On page number 30, stanza number 3. So turn the page. And here we have a stanza number 3. Up, down, up and down, up, down, up and down. Which is the way to London town? Where, up in the air, close your eyes and now you are there. So, वो जब स्विंग पे है, अप एंड डाउन, कभी वो ऊपर जा रहा है, कभी वो नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है, और वो अपनी आईज को क्लोज कर लेता है. वो कहता है आईज क्लोज करते हुए, विच इज द वे टू लंदन टाउन. मीन्स ही इज एंजॉयिंग एंड ही कंसीडर हिमसेल्फ लाइक ही इज इन द लंदन टाउन. और वो कह रहा है कि जब आप अपनी आईज क्लोज कर लो, क्लोज योर आईज एंड नाउ यू आर देयर. आप कहाँ पे हैं? आप लंदन टाउन में हैं, राइट? तो अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं. डाउन, down, where, air, there. Now underline these rhyming words too. On page number 30, stanza number 4. Soon, soon, afternoon. Over the sunset, over the moon. Far, far, over all bar. Sweeping on from star to star. तो कह रहा है कि सून सून आफ्टरनून, ओवर द सनसेट एंड ओवर द मून, कि जल्द ही आफ्टरनून का टाइम आ गया, सनसेट सूरज गुरूब हो गया, ओवर द मून चांद के पास में पहुंच गया, फार फार बहुत दूर पहुंच गया, ओवर ऑल बार सारी जितनी भी ऑब्स्टैकल्स थी, रुकावटें थी, उसके ऊपर से जाता हुआ, स्वीपिंग ऑन फ्रॉम स्टार टू स्टार. और मैं कहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ? ग्लाइडिंग करते हुए मैं स्टार टू स्टार, एक सितारे से दूसरे सितारे की तरफ जा रहा हूँ. दिस इज जस्ट एन इमेजिनेशन ऑफ अ बॉय. वो अपनी इमेजिनेशन में ये सब कुछ सोच रहा है कि वो ये सब कुछ कर रहा है. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे नाउ वी हैव सम राइमिंग वर्ड्स. व्हाट आर द राइमिंग वर्ड्स इन दिस स्टैंजा? स्टैंजा नंबर 4. Here we have a rhyming word soon, afternoon, moon. Another rhyming word is far, bar, star. Underline these rhyming words. Stanza number 5 on page number 30. No, no, low, low. Means swing is going to low. Sweeping daisies with my toe. जब swing slow हो रही है, low हो रही है, नीचे आ रही है, he was scattering flowers, daisies with my toe. means अपने feet के साथ वो daisies को sweep करता जा रहा है, scatter करता जा रहा है. slow slow to and fro, और वो आहिस्ता करता जा रहा है, to and fro, back and forth. कभी वो आगे की तरफ जा रहा है, कभी वो पीछे की तरफ जा रहा है. slow 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 slow, और इसी तरह करते हुए उसने swing को बहुत slow कर दिया है. So now this is the time to find out some rhyming words in this stanza. The first word is no, low, toe. Another word, rhyming word here, slow, fro. And the last one, we can see a name here. This is William Ellingham. William Ellingham is the name of a poet who has written this poem, this interesting poem for the boys. A boy can enjoy a swing too. Okay, my dear student, hope you have enjoyed this poem. This is the time to find out some rhyming words. have underlined all the rhyming words from the poem. When we were reading the stanza, I have told you to underline the rhyming words. So now you can easily write here the rhyming words. Rhyming words, can you guess them? Try to write in front of them. Here is a yellow box in this page. You can find out the rhyming words in this yellow box, and whenever you use one word, you have to tick that word. So hold on the video and do write it on your book. Students, now let's have a little assessment about a poem. Here we have some MCQs. 5 MCQs are here. You have to read out it and find the correct answer and tick out the right answer from options. If you understand the poem, you can easily find out the correct option from this passage, from these MCQs. So hold on the video and try to find out the correct answers. Now turn the page number 32. Here we have some blanks. Now fill in the blanks in the following sentences with action words or phrases. We have some bubbles, colorful bubbles here. You can put out these words in your blanks. So read out these blanks and put out the words of bubbles in these blanks. Try to do it by yourself. Hold on the video and write it on your book. Page number 30, words opposite. As you know that at the end of every lesson, we do the words opposites. So this is the time to do the words opposites. So here the first word is king, queen, soon, late, sunset, sunrise, lifts, drops, afternoon, evening or morning. You can use one opposite. You can use evening, you can use morning. High, low, sunny, cloudy, farewell, welcome. These are the words opposite. Learn these words opposite. My dear students, as I have given you some exercises from page number 31 and 32, I told you that you have to do this exercise by yourself. Maybe you have done it by yourself. Maybe there are some mistakes. So I have given you the answer keys of that exercises. So open your book and try to match the correct answers with these exercises. So if you find any mistake, just raise that mistake and do correct it. On page number 31, exercise A, about a rhyming words. You can see that here we have written all the rhyming words. So try to match the rhyming words with your book. If there is any mistake, just do correct it. Hold on the video here and match your answers. Exercise B, again on page number 31, MCQs. Here are the 5 MCQs. I have ticked the correct options here. Try to match your answers. If you have picked the same answers, very nice. But if you find a little mistake here, just raise it. No problem. Just raise it and do correct it. Hold on the video here and do correct it. On page number 32, we have some blanks. I have told you to write from the bubbles in the blanks. So did you write it? Okay, check your answers. Is that same with my answers? Hold on the video here and match your answers. If you do it correctly, very good. And if there is a little mistake, just raise it and do it correct. Okay? This is the time to assign little homework to you, my dear students. We have a little homework here on textbook. Textbook, page number 31. Do page number 31, exercise A and B. On page number 32, let's learn grammar. You have to do this work on your textbooks. And on your notebooks, you have to make a title page of a swing song. Right there, a swing song. You can draw a picture here and then you have to write the words opposite which are written on the page number 30. Do your work neatly. This was for today. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. We will meet with a new lesson on a new day. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Thank you.